The 404 page is a staple of the internet. A 404 page is also known as an error page or page not found. This page indicates that the user reached the domain they requested, but the URL path provided no information. So why are 404 pages bad for SEO? 404 pages are bad for two main reasons. Number one, they result in a poor user experience. If someone searches for blue t-shirts and they find your website in the Google search results, they then click over to your website to only find that page is gone, well, let's face it, they're not going to be happy. Number two, wasted link juice if popular. So if you had a popular piece of content on your website and it attracted tons of links, and then you go and delete that page, aka it's a 404 page, you're actually wasting all of that link juice you have to that web page. So as you already know from watching my internal linking video in the Onpage SEO section of the course, link juice is a massive element and helps you rank in Google. If you find you have 404 pages on your website, which in the past were popular pieces of content, and as a result have a lot of backlinks, the best thing to do is to 301 redirect them to the most relevant page, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next video. But before that, let's head over to Google Search Console and I'll show you how you can find all your 404 pages in the first place. So as you can see, I'm on the Search Console for clickslice.co.uk, which is our agency site. So if you want to find all your 404 pages, you simply go to coverage under index and give this a click and then scroll down, and as you will see, we have submitted URL seems to be a soft 404. So if you have any 404 pages, they're going to be listed here on the coverage tab under index. So as you can see, if we scroll down right here, Google has actually listed out the exact page which is a 404, which by the looks of it seems to be a checkout transaction failed page. So nothing too important. However, what I'm going to do is open this in a new tab and just look at the page just to make sure there's nothing I'm missing. And as you can see, this is a 404 page. Your transaction failed, please try again or contact the site support. So if this web page did actually have lots of backlinks going to it and it was a popular piece of content in the past, then what I'll do, I want to check out how many backlinks this page has, which I can easily do by copying it and going over to Ahrefs. However, as it's a page like this, checkout transaction failed, I already know this page has no backlinks and that it also has no SEO benefit. So as a result, there's not that much benefit of redirecting it in the first place. This page also wouldn't be a bad user experience as someone's not going to find this page in Google. However, on your website, if you find you have a 404 page which in the past was extremely popular and it does have loads of backlinks after checking it in Ahrefs, then you can simply move on to a 301 redirect, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next video.